So today we will start with I told you last time that we'll do trees, but before trees, let's complete the linear search and binary search. We already did linear search long back, but we will repeat it today and binary search. So let's do first binary search and then we'll move to the linear search. So binary search is generally done on the binary search is done on already sorted array. So if we have array, like for example, so I will create an array with sorting already sorted element 1, 2, 14, 26, 29, 30, 41. So this is, let's say, array which is already sorted, and we need to find some element if 14 exists in this array or not, or if 30 exists in this element or not. So if I go with the linear search, I have to go with each element and match the number with it. So with linear search, we have to go through all the elements. So that means it will take complexity of n, because we have to go to each element. But with binary search, we will go to limited elements only, not all the elements. Since we will go to limited elements, what can be the complexity of binary search? Can anyone tell me? So linear search, we need to go to every element to find the necessary number. So that is the reason we have the complexity of O of n for linear search. But if I go with the binary search, we go with limited elements only. So what is the complexity? It's not called half of On. There is a specific word. You cannot say half of On. I told you specifically there is a specific word for that. Anyone knows the answer? No one? You forgot the complexities? O of log n, right. It's called O of log n, because O of log n means you have to go to only specific elements of the complete array. Since we don't go to all the elements, so we don't have On for the binary search. Since it is not also constant, because it grows with the number of elements, so it is not also O of constant, and therefore it is O of log n. Okay, that's what you have to remember. Now we will see how to do the binary search. This is the array. Let's do it manually first, and then we'll write the code for it. So first consider this is the start element with the index of 0. So let's say start is 0. I will say start 0, because start is something, the number we are starting with, that is a 0. And we have to take the ending number. Ending number is array dot length minus 1. So what is the end number? End number is 6, because we have 7 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 0. This is 6th number. So now what is the idea we have to do? We have to find the middle number of these two. What is the middle number? So it will be about this number. Okay, 3 on the right side, 3 on the left side. So how to find the middle number? So we have the formula. Formula is math.floor, and we have to take the start number, and we have to take the end number, and we have to divide by 2. So what I did, I took the start number 0, and then I took the end number 6, and I divide by 2. So 0 plus 6, 6 upon 3, so 0, 1, 2, 3. 3, index 3 is the middle number. So what we have to do, we have to first find the middle number, and then we have to check whether this middle number is equal to the element which we want to search. So for example, we want to search, the number is, for example, I want to search number 41, for example, okay? I want to search this number, 41. So what is the middle number right now? It is 3. So first we have to find the middle number, that is the 3, which is this number. And we will check whether the middle number is equal to the number which we have. Since it is not the same, then we will continue our procedure again. So now what I will check? I will check whether the number is greater than the middle number or less than the middle number. If it is greater than the middle number, 41 is greater, then middle number is 26. Since 41 is greater than middle number, I will forget this left side. I will only concentrate on the right side. So I will only consider these 3 now, because middle number is also not equal to number, and this number is greater than the middle number. So we will only concentrate these 3. To concentrate in these 3, we need to change the start. So now I will change the start equal to, what will be the start? The start will be the middle number plus 1. This is the middle number. What is the index of middle number? 3. Since index of middle number is 3, and we found that 3 is not useful, so we will change the start to this number, that is plus 1. So start will be middle number plus 1. Now what is the start? Start number is 4. That is this one. And end number will remain as it is. Okay, so we have the start number this, end number is 6. Now again we will find the middle number of this start and end. And let's see what is the middle number now. It is the 5. 5 means that is 30 number. So now I will check whether 30 number is equal to 41. No, it is not equal to 41. Whether 30 number is less than 41? Yes, it is less than 41. Since 30 number is less than 41, therefore I will forget all the left side part, because 41 is greater. That means it will be greater than this middle number. Okay, since it will be greater than the middle number, so we have to consider now only this part, right hand side of the 30 number. So what will be the start? Now we have to change the start again. Start is equal to middle number plus 1. You have to change the start number. So what is the start number now? Start number is 6. End number is also 6. So when we have the condition that start number, we have to check the condition that start number should be less than end number. If it is not, then we have to come out of the loop, and we have to write the one condition again when we come out of the loop. And the condition will be and the condition will be, what is the middle number now? Let's see the middle number. Okay, so middle number is 5, right? Okay, let me check. Okay, so once we get the start, okay, let's consider 1 minute. Okay, this one is getting the start is getting 6 number, and ending is also 6 number. Okay, so I'll come back to this again. Yeah, okay, it's not matching with my calculation. Let's do the program and see what exactly we're getting, and we'll come back to this point again. Okay, give me 1 minute. Let's write down the program, and we'll see manually after we write the program. Okay, just I'll keep this open so that we can come back again to this one. So let's write down the function binary search. 1 second. Okay, let me write down the function and we will walk through again to this one. Maybe when I do manually, it's I missed some point which will be cleared when I write the function. Okay, let's try it, kind of thing. So binary search, in the binary search, I will pass 2 things. One is called array and one is called element. Okay, and then I will call the binary search with the array and what I want to find it. So let's put this same array and see one by one step what's happening in the behind the scenes. Okay, so first we will do the console.log of array. What is the array? Is array, and console.log of the element which we need to find. Okay, we need to find this element in this array using the binary search. Okay, we'll start with the start equal to 0, which I said we have to start with this one and end with this one. So what will be the end? Let end equal to array.length. Okay, we have to go through array.length minus 1. Yeah, array.length minus 1, that is the 6th number, end is the 6th number. Okay, so this is the one line. Now I have to go to while loop. I will fill this while loop place in a minute. We have to loop through and we have to see what we have to loop through. Okay, I will fill this in a minute. Here I have to check whether if element, okay, before going to while loop, I also need to find the middle number, which I told middle number is math.floor start plus end divided by 2. So the start is this, end is this, divided by 2, that is middle number is this one. So before we go inside the while loop, we will see what is the start, end and middle. Start is start, end is end, and middle is middle. Okay, so now in the while loop, I will check if this element is greater than the middle number or less than the middle number. So here I will check if element is less than array of middle number or else if element is greater than array of middle number. Okay, let's check these two conditions. If element is less than middle or element is greater than the middle. And here I will check start should be less than end number. Okay, that's what we have to go through it. If start is less than end number. We will come back to this point again because this is not the final one. I'm just putting one condition, but we will go through it again. What will be the ending condition? So if element is less than middle number, let's say if I'm searching, this is the middle number. If element is 2, if I'm searching 2, that is element is less than middle number, then I have to change the ending number from this to this part because we don't care about the right hand side. We have to take care of the left hand side. If element is 2, that is less than the middle number, then I have to change the ending number. So I'll change the end number to middle number minus 1. That is 26 minus 1. That is here 40 number. But if element is greater, this element is greater than the middle number, then I will change the starting number to this number. I'll change the starting number to middle plus 1. And once I complete this if statement, I will put one more condition, else if element is equal to array of middle number for timing. So this is not the final function. Okay, we will be modifying this function more again and again. I'm just writing this as a starting thing. We will edit it. Now if both are equal, that means we found the element in this array and then we can return the index, that is the middle. If we found it, we will return this middle number. Here I will update the middle number every time. After I run the while loop, I will update the middle number to same thing what we did before. Start plus end divided by 2. Okay, let's run this and we will see what's happening. In the end, for now, I will return minus 1. If nothing happens here, let's see, we will return minus 1 here. So let's run it and see what's happening in each step. And then we will modify this to little more. We have to modify this function little more. Okay, so first, see, something is wrong happening. I think it's not done properly. Yeah, that's why it's not working. Okay, so this function is not 100% correct. Let's write down this function and we need to modify it. Okay, I'm writing it here and let's modify this function a little bit. Okay, there was this spelling mistake. Let's try it now again. This will not work. Let me run in another browser. Or we can run directly here. Okay. So this is the array which we are getting it, and element is 41. First time the start is 0, that is this one, and the end is the sixth number, that is this one. And we found a middle number, that is 3, which is 26 number. Since 41 is greater than 26, so we will forget the left side and we will change the start to middle plus 1. Middle plus 1, that means this is the 4 number. So the start will become 4, end is 6. Okay, end is 6, and the middle number is 5. Okay, we got the middle number 5. Okay, let's write down the middle number outside the while loop also. Okay, let's run it again. Because this middle number is coming inside the while loop, and so we are not getting this point. Okay, so element is this one, and the start is 0, ending is 6, and the middle number is 3. That is this one. Since the number is greater than this, therefore we change the start number to this one, 4 number, and end number will remain same, that is 6 1, and middle number is 5, and still we did not get the solution till here. And we came out of the while loop because start became equal to ending number, so we did not move into the while loop. Because after this line, okay, let's print this whole thing again here. So you will see again what's happening. So since start became equal to end, therefore we came out of the loop, and in the end we get the middle number as 6. So this condition we will again check here outside and say if element is equal to array middle, because when we come out of the middle number, when we come out of the while loop, we have the updated middle number, that is this 6 number, and we check one more time if element is equal to array middle number. And since element is 41 and array of middle is also 41, both are same, so we return the middle number. So if we want to do console.log of this binary search, we will get the middle number. Okay, I will go through this again. The result is 6. We got the result 6. So previously I was doing this one, but this middle number was also updated after we are done with the procedure. We have to update the middle number, and that's the reason this was not matching. I did not put this last updated middle number. Okay, let's go through this again. So what we are doing, we have the array which looks like this array. Now I will ask your questions, so you will. We are only searching in the sorted array. That's what binary search is. Name is search. That means you have to search. Okay, now I will ask the question and you have to answer me so that it will become more clearer. If I only will speak, it will not be clear. So let's try to search this part, another one. Here I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will make this as a 6. That is, it is not in this binary search. So I should get -1 in the answer for this one. Let's walk through this again, and then we'll walk through this again to understand what's happening. We have this array. What is the first step? What we have to do in this array? we have to create the start, end, and middle number. Okay, so this is the three things we always have to do in the binary search. Okay, let me ask you now. Okay, so now let's start with this part. What will be the start for this one? 0. Always remember we have to start with the index. I am asking index, not the number. What will be the ending number for this one? 4, because these are the 5 elements. So 4 is the index of the last element. This is a step 1. Now, what will be the middle? 0 plus 4, 4 upon 2 is a 2. So index is 2, middle index is 2, and the value is 0, 1, 2. Value is this one, 3. Now I have to find the 6. I have to find 6. Whether 3 is equal to 6? No. That means one case is gone. Whether 6 is greater than 3? Yes. 6 is greater than 3. Yes. Since 6 is greater than 3, I have to forget the left side. I have to forget the left side. I have to talk about only the right side. So we have to change start number or end number. Start number, because end number will remain same because we have to work on the right side. So start number will move from 0 to this number, this part. So let's change the start number to middle plus 1, that is 3. Middle is 2 plus 1, 3. Middle plus 1. So start number will become now 3. Middle was 2. 3 is 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the start number, and end number is this one. End number is same as 4. Now we have to find the middle of this one. What will be the middle of this one? 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. 3.5, floor of 3.5 is 3. And the value of this one is 0, 1, 2, 3. This is value of this will be 4. Now we have to check whether if 4 is this 6 is greater than 4. Yes. Right? So we have to forget all the left side of it. Okay, and we have to update our middle number. Okay, so what we have to do, since 4 is less than 6, so we have to make the start equal to, what we have to do, start equal to middle plus 1. So we have to change the start number because this 6 is greater than the middle number. Since 6 is greater than the middle one number, the start will become middle plus 1, that is equal to 4, because previously middle is 3. We make the start equal to 4, and end will be equal to 4. This end is also equal to 4, and middle number will be 4 plus 4 equal to 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. So middle number is also 4, start number is also 4, end number is also 4. Since this condition while loop has to be run till start is less than end, but here start is equal to 4. That means we will come out of the while loop. since we will come out of the while loop, and when we console this part, we have 4, 4, 4. All indexes are 4, and we'll check if element is equal to array of middle. That is, element is array of middle, that is array of this one 4, which is not equal, both are not equal, so we will return -1. So with the second case, it will return -1. But with the first case, let's walk through with the first case again. So this is for the case 2. Let's walk through one more time to understand the case 1. Let's take the smaller number. Okay, I'm searching for 1. So step 1 is we have to start with the 0. We have to end number is 6. End number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. End number is 6. This is 0, 1. End number is 6. Not 8, 6. This is the 6 number. And then middle number will be this one only, 26. That is number 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. The middle number is 3 with the value of 26. Now we have to check whether 1 is greater than 26. No. Whether 1 is less than 26. Yes. Since it is less than 26, that means we have to move the end number from here to here, and start number will remain same as it is. So the start number will remain 0, right? Middle -1. End number is middle -1, that is equal to 2, and the value is 0, 1, 2. Value is 14. And we have to change the middle number now again to 0 plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 is this one. So the new value will be this one. New value will be 2. Middle value will be 2, and index is 1. Now I will check whether the middle number, that is this 2, is greater, 1 is greater than 2 or not. 1 is lesser than 2. Since 1 is lesser than 2, that means the number will be on the left side of the 2. That means somewhere here. Since it is less than 2, we will change the start number will remain same. End number will be changed with the middle -1. That is 1 minus 1. That is equal to 0 with the value of 1. And middle number will become now, yeah, it will be out of loop, but before ending the loop, we update the middle number. So let's update the middle number. So middle number will be 0 plus 0 divided by 2, that is equal to 0, that is equal to 1. Now since start is equal to 0, start and end are equal, so we will come out of the while loop, and we will check here if element is array of middle number. So array of middle number is 1. Array of middle is 0, that is value is 1. So 1 is equal to 1. Therefore we return the index 0. Okay, and if it was -1, then both are not same. We would have written -1, but right now it's 1, so we will return it 0. So let's run this both the things and see what is the answer coming in both the cases. Let me run it again. Okay, in the first case, we are getting result of 0, which is expected. In the second case, we are getting result of -1 because this one is not, 6 is not present in this one. So that means our function is working fine. So what we are doing, always trying to find the middle number and skipping the right side using the left side. Again, we are finding the middle number, skipping the right side using the left side only. So that means we are dividing each into 2, 2, 2, 2, like that. We are dividing each array into 2, and that is the reason we are getting it so quickly. And that is the reason it is of complexity log n and not n, because we are not traversing all the elements. Now here we have only 7 elements, and we went through how many loops? 1, 2, and 3. So 3 times we went through and we got the result. And here also we went about 3 times, so we got the result. What do you think if we have this 100,000, that is 1 lakh time, 1 lakh elements? What do you think? What will be the number of loops we will be traversing? Right now we have only 7 elements, so we go to 3 times. What if I pass 100,000 or 1 million, that is 10 lakhs? Rakesh is saying divide by 2. Any other answer? I don't want log of this one. I just want to know about how many times it will go. Log n is only the word. It does not mean you put n inside the log. Okay, so it does not exactly mean. Log n means it is not going to n and it is not constant. So it is the in between. So it does not mean exactly it will not give 1 lakh means log n means it will, if you take the value of log of 1 lakh, it's not exactly the same. So Rakesh is saying 2 times means if it is 1 lakh, it will go 50,000 times. Any other answer? Okay, let's run this again in the browser and see how much it is giving. Is it working now? This got hanged actually, Let's try in some other browser. Okay, it is going 3 times. Now I will increase this number to 100, then 1,000, then 10,000, and see how many times we are getting this one. Okay, let's do that one. Let me see what is. Okay, I put somewhere here to where is the search part? So I will search for one second. Okay, so this is the code for generating the data. Okay, let's try this again. So I will generate the data. Now see, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's generate this data, okay? So if you see, this data is having the round numbers each time, and there are total 10,000 records in this data with the random value. Okay, we want the ascending one, right? For the binary search, we don't need a random one, we need ascending one. Okay, let me 1 second. Let's write down the ascending data because binary search will not work with the round figure. I'm just experimenting what should I use. So something I want to use return I plus 1. Okay. Okay, so if I see data, this is of 5 numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's generate this with the 1000 records. Okay, so now if data is 1000 records with ascending number, we need the ascending sorted numbers for the binary search. Now I will run this function again. I will run this function and see how many times we loop through with the 1000 records. So instead of this array, I will use the data. Let me give this to in the Telegram chat. Okay, so what do you think? How many times we will see this line of statements again? 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 500 times? Minimum 1 means how many? 3 times only? I'm passing 1000 records. Okay, maybe 10, max 10. Any other answer? Before pressing enter, I want to know about your thought. 2 minus 1 means what? 1 time or 500 time or 459? What is 2 minus 1 means what? Rakesh, divide by 2 minus 1 means what? Array divided by 2 means about about 500? You're saying about 500? Okay, let's run it. Okay, since I'm trying to find the one number, we are getting 0 in the result. But if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times, it only went 9 times, not 500, not 400, not 1000. So if the data is 1000, I only went 9 times or 8 times you can consider. One is extra start. Okay, so let's try to now run with the 100,000 data or 1 million data. Okay, I will create a data with 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. Let's create a data of 1 million. So data is 1 million. Okay, see, this is the data of 1 million records. Okay, now what do you think? If I run this, how many times it will call? We have 1 million records, all ascending. Guess. Do guesswork. We have 1 million records, all ascending. We need to find. Let's find some complicated number. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's run this. Okay, let's see. I also don't know, but it is comparatively very less. Here, 36. One is saying 36, 11, 10. Let's see how much. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we got 18 times called and we got the result. Okay, so we got the result in 18 time only. Let's try to increase the data one more time from 1 million to okay, in 1 million we have 6 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's make 8 zeros. Okay, 27. Okay, let's see what first. It's generating the data of 8 zeros, so I'm not able to get it till it completes it. Okay, to wait few seconds. 8 zeros means it is 10 crores in Indian format. Okay, let it complete. Let's see how much time it goes. 36. One is saying 36, one is saying 17. Okay, one is saying 27. It's taking time. To generate this 80 is taking time. But once the data is ready, we will see how much time it will take here in this part. Because generating this much data will take a lot of time. Okay, we'll come back to this one once it generates the data. Okay, so before I complete it, just write down this one, write down this function, and then I'll give you 5 minutes, and then we'll check again. You can skip the console if you want, but at least write down this function. I'll give 5 minutes to finish this, and then we'll see if data is there, how much time it is taking.
Sorry, you are mute. Sorry, you
Oh,
are mute.
sorry, I was in mute. Okay. So I will do some change in the function. Rather than putting if condition here, I will move this if part somewhere here in the while condition. Though both will work fine, this is also working fine as we saw, but we will check it here, and this will help us little bit more. I will check array of middle is not equal to element and start is less than end. So we don't need this part here because this will be taken care of inside here. Because if both are same, we will come out of the loop and we will return it here in this part. Okay, so just there is a minor change here. Though both will work, but here we are checking in the top only, and if both are same, we will take care of it here. Let me know once you're done with this one, then I can move. Yeah, 1 second. I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay, let's see if we can test it with so many records. Okay. Okay, let's run this again. So I'll copy the updated function which I have written here. Okay, so this is the updated function. I'll run this again. Okay, I'll run this part again. So we have the data now. Yeah, it's taking little time. Let's see how much time it takes. But we got this result here. It's how many times it's going? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay. It took 27 times as someone suggested, 27 times. But I think it's taking a little bit time in giving the results. Yeah. So though it's taking 27 time, but since the data is too big, it's giving some time to give the results. And the data is 10 crores. So practically the data is too big. Okay. So that's all for this one. Okay. So now, so just to remember that we always go to middle number and then we go to left side or right side depending on the element is less or element is greater than that. And if element is equal to middle element, then we return it. Otherwise, we go and cut each in half and half and half and half. And the results are, pretty faster than linear search. If we go with the linear search, then we have to go. Yeah, Sonu, how you have guessed 27? Tell me. Someone is asking. How you have guessed 27? What is your idea? I also was not able to guess because it's not exactly random. It's a random kind of thing. If I would have chosen the different element, then it may have 28 or 26 something kind. Okay, first we find in 9 times, so something like that. Okay, but if we change this one, then there will be little bit difference in giving the results depending on what we are trying to search. So 27 will not be there every time, but it will be near about that one. Okay. So, that's all for today kind of thing, binary search. I will commit this file. You can get this file. Next time we'll start with the trees. Trees is very interesting chapter. And it's I like trees very much. This is one of my best data structure ever I have done. So trees is something I like it very much. We'll do it next time. So what we will do yesterday, you cannot find exact one. You cannot find exact time or exact number of line you can do. You can do it and you can find it, but before that you cannot find it. I haven't committed yet. After class I'll commit it and then you can take the pull. So yesterday we did that project. And now what we have to do, I created a lot of simple tasks. So we will go through. Okay, we will go through those tasks and see. And I will, everyone has to do one at a time. So I created a lot of simple tasks. Now you have to take each task and you have to share your screen and you have to, one second. Okay, so I have created a lot of tasks. I will give each task. You can select task if you want, and we will walk through the process. So everyone has to select one task. So there are a lot of install tasks which we have to do before we really start working on. So I will take the name, then you have to select the task, and then you have to share the screen, and then you have to do this task as I explained yesterday. And I will walk through. If you do something wrong or if you are not to the point, then I will guide you the process. Okay, so don't do together. It will be one by one. Okay, one by one, you have to select and share the screen. So those who cannot share the screen, they should not take this task. Okay, I will name the person, and then you have to pick up the task and you have to share the screen. Okay, so first Anand. So which task you want to take? So here we have all. Take any from the install one, and then you have to share the screen. Which one you are taking? Only one person will do at one time. Others will watch. Anand, tell me which task you want to take. Okay, install. Okay, let's do the moment one. Okay, this moment one. So we have to open this task. Now go to this task, Anand, and assign it to yourself. Click the update and assign it to yourself. Once you assign, then let me check, and then you have to share your screen. Let me check. Is it done? Let me know when it's done.
So I have just select and open that task.
1 second. What happened? You
It's showing three options, top right, create, update, and delete.
okay? Wednesday. Yeah, update. Click the update and choose your name. Move it to the right side, and remove the admin name. Move it to the left side. So remove the admin. Put your name and click the save. Okay. Now I'll give you share the screen. Let me see what you're doing. Okay. Let's see what you're doing. Okay, yeah, put your name. Just to click your name, it will go to the right side. Yeah, let's go to the save one. Okay, now you have to read the description and you have to understand what you are doing. You are trying to install the moment, and you also have to install the date FNS. These two packages you have to install. Open the link, this one, to understand what package you are trying, how to install that one. Yeah, open it in new tab. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so on the right side, you see the install command. Yeah, you have to use it. Don't copy it now. Just you have to understand what you want to do it in this project. Okay, now the first thing is go to the project again, that task. Yeah, copy the SRC number. Copy it. Now go to your Visual Studio Code or here, wherever you have the terminal. So first do the Git status. Let's see. Okay, Git branch. Let's see the Git branch. Enter it. No. First only I want to see Git branch. Okay, you are in the main branch. Just do Git pull first. Before you start creating any branch, you to pull it because something might be in the Git. Yeah, see, few files were there. Now you do Git checkout -b. Enter it. Right. So now you are in this branch. Now confirm it. No, wait. Confirm it. That branch is correct. Git branch again. Branch. Okay. On branch, this one is fine. Yeah, right. Now go to client folder because anything you install in the npm will not work if you are not inside the client folder. No. You went one level up. Go to live project. Go to client folder. Yeah. Now you have to run the command that npm install which you saw. Yeah, right. So this is how everyone has to do the task, the way I'm showing him.
Sir, in last project, hello.
Yes, now install the second one. You see in the description, npm install data appendix. Yeah. Before starting any project, you have to assign it to your name so that other person cannot take that project. Otherwise, both will be working in the same task, and then you will get clash.
Conflict.
Yeah, conflict. You will get.
Sir, I was just confirm, in last project we have created one component for input field, right? And that component we called in multiple forms.
Right.
So if you are using password type, then how will separate that type for particular field?
So you have to pass the type as a props. So in that, if type is not passed as a prop, so you need to pass type as a props. Then you can use text or email or search or password.
Okay.
So you have to pass. Currently, I might have not passed it, but if you want it, you have to pass it.
Okay, got it.
Okay, now since both the lines are done, now you have to see Git status. Okay, so Git status is showing this one. Now do git add dot space dot. Now git commit first. Commit it. Yeah.
That's it.
What is there? Can you move your cursor? I cannot see. Just move your mouse. Yeah, that's it. No need to put any other thing. Yeah, that's it. Enter it. Okay, now git push. Now, because this is the first time, you have to copy this line. Yeah, can copy this line and use this one.
Okay, every time when I'm creating a branch, I will get this command first time.
Yeah, first time with new branch. You have put git push 2 times, so remove the first 2. Yeah, whenever you create a new branch, you will get this one. Otherwise, yeah, if you're working in the same branch, then you will not get it. Okay, now you have to create a PR request. Can you see the line? There is to create a merge request. You have the URL. In that only you have the URL. Go to command line. Yeah, can you see to create the merge?
Okay,
Up. Yeah, this one. Copy this one till end. Or maybe you can click, copy this one and go to the browser, this one. This one directly you can create the request.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so now just put, you can copy title in the description also, or just put blah, blah, blah. Yeah, put same thing here in the description. Go down, assign it to my name. Yeah, now I know that assignee is who will work on and reviewer who will review it. Don't need to put reviewer, because if we have different reviewer, then only we can put the reviewer kind of thing. Because if I am busy, you want another person to review your code, then you can put the review part. Right now, not needed. Just create a merge request. Okay, now, okay, that's it for you. Now I will share my screen to see what I'm doing now.
Okay.
Okay, and then I will just give this to another person. 1 second. Let's see. Okay, now I will go to GitLab and approve the request. So I'll go to this project and I will see what are the merge requests is there. There is currently one merge request of this one. I'll go to that request. I will see what changes you have done. So you added these 2 packages in package.json file. We don't need to see log file. Log file is too big. No need to see that. But at least I see these 2 packages are added. So I'm fine with that packages. And then I will, okay, let's go to this again and I will approve it. I will merge it. Okay, so this is merged. Now you go to this task and just say, once I merge kind of thing, you have to say closed. Okay, just go and update the status to closed. Okay, do it in your browser. Okay, now let's try to see another one. Let's do another one. Okay, so this one is done. He will update it to done in a minute. Next is who is the next one? Ashok Kumar. Which one task you want to take?
Sir, I have updated the status.
Who is updating the status? Which one you want to take? First tell me.
No, I'm Anand, sir. I close status is
okay.
Convert to close.
Okay. I thought Ashok is. Okay, so that is closed. It's gone from here. Anand, Ashok Kumar, tell me which one. Ashok Ji, where are you? Tell me which task you want to take. Install React and Redux. Okay, so go to this project and update with your name. Right now I see admin. Go to this 60 number and change it to your name. And once you're done, let me know. I will give you the, okay, you want the URL? Okay. Okay, go to this page and click the update. Okay, you share your screen. Let me see what you're doing. So you remember your username. It will be same as GitLab, whatever GitLab username is there. Password is password. No, don't put gmail.com. It's username only. Whatever username you have for the GitLab. So username may be wrong. What is your username in GitLab? Check that one. Click on the top right side. Not this one. This is Ashok to world. Okay, so try the same thing. Let me see what is your username. Okay, I didn't create your name yesterday. I don't see your name. When I was creating yesterday, you didn't ping me that you. Let me create your username. Ashok to world. Okay. Okay, I created just now. Put your password as a password. Click login. Yeah. So create top right side update and choose your name and remove admin. Now click save. So that means you started working on it. Okay. Now go to your command line. Copy this as CR00016. Yeah, copy this. Yeah. Now do, where is your script plans project? So just everyone should follow this one because I will take one more person to do the same thing and then rest all can copy there because I have to go in few minutes. Where is your script class project? Not here. Not in the all. Have you created the script class? What you were doing yesterday when I was showing something? You were there yesterday? You have to go and in the GitLab create a new folder. I don't know what you are looking at now. Have you created a local project, new GitLab, which yesterday I shared? Go to GitLab folder.
So I think Ashok has not attended yesterday class.
Okay, that's the reason he's not able. Okay, Ashok, you watch yesterday's video and we will talk with you next week. Let me give to some other person now. Okay, Kate, which task you want to do? Let's see, let me open.
Install material UI.
Okay, let's do install material UI. It's here. Okay, let's do this one. Let me share you the screen and then you do the step. Everybody watch what he's doing and then same way you have to pick up the task. First complete the install install task, and then we will take other tasks. There are a lot of install tasks. I have given 10 to 15 tasks for the install only. So this is the last person. She is sharing. Kate is sharing.
First, I log in.
Yeah, log in here. Go to Material UI part. And yeah, go to
project.
Yeah, it's already there in open task. Okay, but it's okay.
Okay.
Go to third number page. Yeah, click
I
down.
already assigned this one to
Yeah.
me.
Okay, you assigned it already. Just copy the name of the
I should change the status
to working on. It's okay if that's fine. At least your name is there. No one will touch that one. But copy the SCR0007 because you will be creating branch from that.
Copy it, yeah. Then I go to my terminal.
Visual Studio Code. No, first go to Visual Studio Code and open this task so you will understand what you have to do.
Okay.
Open this task.
Open this.
You have this one? Yeah, this one also open it. Yeah. So these are the steps which you have to do in the detail what you see. But before you even touch that, we need to create the branch. So before you read the description, go to your Visual Studio Code.
Yes.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah. Go to Visual Studio Code. I cannot see you. Yeah. Go to terminal.
Okay. Here.
Yeah, so you are in the escape class. Let you do get branch. Let me see what branch you are in.
I'm in the main.
Yeah, let's wait. In the main. Okay, so before you continue, first do git pull.
Yes. Git pull up to date.
Wait. When did you update it? Few minutes back?
Yes. Because just after the person finished the first task, I do pull already.
Okay, and now go to the client. Since this is a change in the package.json, so you need to run the npm install in your local. So go there in the command line and go to client folder, cd client.
Okay, go to client. Yes, I have to npm install.
Yes, since there is a change in the package, then you have to run this. Sometimes you don't know that someone has updated the package.json. Then what you do, you will get error when you will run the page. Then you have to do npm install at that time because we don't know who is updating the package.json file. If anyone has changed the package.json file, then we need to run npm install again.
So it's better every time install.
Either every time, because it's a one time, for few days you will get package.json update, and for few days you need to do npm install again and again, but later you may not get it. Okay, now go to cd space dot enter it. No, first to Git status. Okay, so now everything is okay. Now do git branch. Since you already created this 7, when did you create this 7 branch? SCR00.
Yesterday I created.
Okay, now you have to create it again with some A and B extension. So just say git checkout -B -B. Put that name, whatever the task number is, SCR, whatever it was. Git checkout -B and put that. What is that? Go to the website.
SCR.
Copy that maybe. Yeah, 407. But you have already that branch, so just put 7A. Yeah, 1 is fine.
Yes, 7A. Okay.
Yeah, enter it. Yeah.
Git branch.
Right. So,
Yeah.
yeah, you are in the new branch now.
Yes.
Now go to that task, a material UI installation page. See what you have to do. Yeah, open that material UI installation page.
Yeah, so what I'm doing, just, I don't want to emotion react, right? Emotion style.
No, you have to do the first one, your first line.
What's the one?
Yeah.
First part. Yes.
Right.
So I go to Visual Studio.
Full, till end.
Until end, okay.
Yeah. No. You have not copied the full line. You have to copy the full line. Go there. You have not copied the full line. Copy the full line.
Yes, the full line.
Yeah, that's this line, right?
Okay.
No. Yeah, this line. That's fine. Yeah, go there. Yeah. Go into the client folder and run. Don't put directly in the command line. Go to the client folder.
So in my
CD
branch,
client.
In my branch, I go to my client folder.
Yeah.
And I paste here.
Yes, because everything which we install using npm install will be inside the client folder.
Yes.
Okay. By the time this runs, you go to the material UI page again and scroll down, and you have to install the material UI icons also. Go down.
Okay. So,
go down. Yeah, can you see the icons and SVG icons? Yeah, go up.
Yes, here.
Go up. No, go up. Yeah, this one. npm install MUI icons material.
Yes, I copy.
Yeah, copy this line. So after that is done, you have to run this one. Okay, you copied comment, also remove the comment, only the line npm install one.
Yeah.
Yeah, let it complete, then you have to run that one. Okay, till you install it, Soma Sundaram, what is your question? You were asking something in Telegram, and I was not able to answer that time because I'm so busy with my work. I cannot always answer. So if you have any question, you can ask now.
Yes. Yeah, actually, I just try to learn your videos. That
right.
Your code. Actually, I missed that classes before. I have an experience in React, but I need to explore your code as well. So that I asking. Before we have folders, right, sir? We have all folders inside that. You guide me to learn inside that Manish folder, and if you need to type any new code, you need to create a file name with your name, right?
Right.
Yeah. In that, I saw your code base.
Right.
I used your code base to learn.
Yeah.
There, I need some clarity, sir. In this folder, I need to see. We have DS, HTML, React. Now I go to React folder. Here we have master and project 1, 2, 3 and the project forms, right?
Right.
Here, which folder I need to start? I need to know the patterns, how we are following here.
Okay, so the thing is that you need to go through each video.
Okay.
And in each video, I have explained which folder to work on. Okay, so there is no special that first you have to do project 1 or 2 or 3. You don't even take my code. Don't even look into Manish folder. Go through the videos And in each video, as I create the folder, you create in your name, that folder in your name. Okay. So I don't remember what I did, first one, because it is long been 4 months back. It's December I started it.
Okay.
So you have to go through each video, and whatever folder I create, you create in your folder, that folder.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so
actually, I can able to understand the code what you have written. So I just thought because of seeing the video, it takes some more time to me. So I just exploring the code.
yeah, exploring code will not give you the right thing, because lot of things are not committed there. Because something I don't want to share it on the code, because I want people to write down that code. Okay. Okay, so you have to, I know we watching video is a little boring going through it, and then because a lot of videos are there, you have to invest a lot of time to go through all the videos.
Yes.
Okay, so but I cannot explain you, even if I talk personally also, I don't know which one I did first, which one is missing. Either you, if you know the React, just start from today, because this is a new project we are doing. Try to learn that same thing in the new project. But if you want to go through old code, you have to go through video also, because a lot of codes is missing in the commit. Because I told at that time, specifically, you have to write this. I will not commit it. Many of the old files I did not commit it, because I want the student to write down. Okay, otherwise, I will complete the project. They will take the whole project, put it on their name. So many projects or many of the files and functionality, I have not committed it. Okay, so you have to go through video. That's the only way you can do the all project.
Okay, sir. Okay. And also, I need to know that where's the pod server code, sir? Here we can see that we are.
What is possible? What is your question?
A pod server, that backend code, where we have.
So pod server is also, I showed how I installed it. So there will be title. If you go through all videos, there will be title, the installation of pod server. I will tell you which number. Let me go through the videos. I'll tell you where I showed. I already installed yesterday's video. I uploaded yesterday's video. You didn't receive it? Yeah, see, many people have watched yesterday's video. Okay, 100 number. Let's see the 100 number. No, 100 number is GitLab. Yeah, pod server install. It's 101 number, lesson number 101.
Okay.
Go to lesson number 100 and 101. You may be able to see the pod server.
Okay. Actually, I need to know from which video I need to start to see the.
Okay, wait. Let me see. No, 100 is not the right one. Wait. Pod server is 83. Okay, 100 is different thing. Okay, let me tell you which one you start with. It should be. There are a lot of things on there. You have to do all the videos, but you have to check the title also if you want to do particular thing. For example, pod server is 83, 84, and 85. Okay, so that way, if you want to install pod server, you have to use that one. But then I started fresh a new project from December 1st. So you can also start with December 1st. Okay, start with the December 1st and see if you can do everything.
Okay.
It's a December 1, 2021, 1201, GitLab. Start from that one and go down. Okay, so don't think that you will get every code in the commit. You need to watch video, and many things you have to write yourself by watching the video.
Okay.
Okay, Kate. Yeah. Go ahead. What did you say? So, Soma, what did you say?
Sir, the lesson number is 100, right? From 100, I need to start.
Yeah, right now you start with the 100, because I started a new project from the 100. and then so it is a fresh kind of thing.
Okay. First, I need to learn that parser were 3 videos, 83, 84, 85. Then
I might have done again. If you start with the 100 one, I might have repeated it. So try to do with the 100 and see. I think it's 101. I have done it again.
Okay.
Yeah, check it again. Okay, it may be again.
Yeah, it is there. Yeah, if you start from 100, you should see the parser installation again. Sorry, right. It is there already.
Right. So start with the 100.
Okay, sure.
Okay, Kate, one more change you have to do. Go to the installation file.
Okay, material UI page.
Yeah. You run both the npm command, right?
Yes, icon is installed now.
Okay, install. Yeah, can you see Roboto font? Below that there is a link.
Font icons?
Above it.
Oh, Roboto font?
Yeah, there is a link given. Yeah, copy that one. Copy this one.
Okay, copied.
And now go to your public index.html folder in your VS Code, Visual Studio.
Yes.
Go to the public. Yeah. Open public.
My computer is too slow today.
Why slow? Is it your personal computer or office computer?
It's a personal computer.
Personal computer. Change it, man. You do. What is the memory?
Sometimes it gets stuck.
Okay, but what is the memory you have in your computer?
128? I don't know.
No, you have to check it.
Okay.
You know how much GB?
Index HTML?
Yeah, below title. Okay, Anand, go ahead, work on 2. Below title.
Below title, within the
paste
height.
it, yeah, paste it.
Right.
Before, enter it and paste it.
Okay, yes, and save.
Yeah,
okay.
Save it. So, Anand, this is not the error. This is only the audit fix is there. So it may not be the error.
To run this command with npm audit fix?
You can run it, but without that also it should be fine.
I have installed that what we call React render HTML, and then I'm checking the Git status. It's not showing edit. It's saying found one moderate servability vulnerability.
Okay, then run this one. Let's see what it gives.
Okay.
npm audit fix. Let's see what it gives. Okay, save it. Now quickly, let's go to the command line. Now go back one level, cd ...
Yes. I'm in my branch right now.
Yeah. Now check again, git branch. Are we in correct branch? Let's confirm it.
Yes, 7A. So I do git add off.
Okay, 1 second. Git add dot, right?
Yes.
Then do git commit.
Minus AM.
Minus AM. Then put some message.
MUI install. Okay. Enter. Yeah, I commit and push.
Yes.
Push. Okay.
Yeah, copy this command. Yeah.
Yes, pushed. Right now I do git merge min.
1 second. 1 second. Okay. Yeah, 1 second. Okay. Yeah, what you committed, right? Now click that link. Go to that link. In the command line, you might have got it.
Okay, this link, yes.
Yeah, this link. Go to this.
New
Okay, just
module.
yeah, it's okay. Just put any description. Assign it to me. Yeah, Npm install. Just assign it to me.
Delete source branch.
Yeah,
And
go down.
activate the module.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, done, right? Okay, I will now share my screen. So,
Yes.
so we will stop after this, and so Ashok, I gave you the URL in the React Telegram group. You can get that URL of yesterday's video. So let me share my screen, and I will. Can you see my screen?
Not yet.
Yes, sir, we can.
Okay. Now I will see what change she has done. She has done this change. Package.log I don't want to see. I will see in the package.json. This got added by the npm install. That is correct. I feel everything is correct. I will go here and I will merge it. Okay. So we did one by one with Kate and Anand. And rest of the people, they know what we are doing, right? So they should follow the same thing. What Kate was doing, she was doing npm install every time because package.json was changed. Okay, you have to follow same steps and you have to complete all the installation part. Okay, so what are the installation, tasks are there? Material you has done. So close this, Kate, close this one.
Yes.
And we have to install the DOM. Choose only the install part. Install React Redux, install UID, install SARS, then install validate, install pass. Everything detail is given how to install everything. So you have to install everything like this. And I will do same thing like I did for Kate and for Anand. On Friday I will do for other students. Is that clear? Will you be
Yes,
able
sir.
to do? Yeah.
Manish, sir, I have one doubt. Actually, I'm trying to work on